Thermal transfer label printer ribbon installation video. Press the upper press head button of the printer. The print head assembly will lift automatically the plug ribbon spindle. Press into the elastic seat corresponding to the fixed position of the buckle. Load the ribbon. Roll up the recycled ribbon in the direction of the colored ribbon. Align the buckle to the other side of the print head and install. Press the ribbon button to tighten the ribbon and press the head up button to return the print head. Ribbon installation completed. Paper roll part. First, install the plug on the right side of the paper roll. Rotate to the left. Install the plug with RFID on the left side of the paper roll. Paper roll plug installation completed. Put the paper roll with the plug in the printer. Tighten the paper roll to the center position according to the paper folding function and rotate to detect the normal rotation of the paper roll. Press the paper feed function to carry out the paper feeding test. Automatic paper cutting detection. Paper roll automatically return. Close the lid of the printer. The installation is complete.